What's up guys, how you doing? And this is the second part of our previous video. Today I will continue explaining the strategy that will help you make profit. So I highly recommend you to watch this video to the end, and if you haven't watched the previous video, go watch the previous video before watching this one. And in case you have any questions in mind, you'll find the link to my Telegram. You can ask me in Telegram any question you may have. You'll also find the link to my private Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure you join the marathon and join my Telegram channel. And you can also text me today on Telegram to get a link to sign up for Pocket Option, which will give you 50% on your deposit absolutely for free as a bonus, which is a good bonus to help you start your way into trading. And without further ado, let us continue our trading session. So we continued the last trading session, and I remind you that I have already been able to earn $1,700, and I remind you that we're working with the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen currency pairs, and the trading amount is $400, and the price could not break through the average line of the Donchian channel indicator for 5 minutes now, but then having broken through, it reached the lower level of the Donchian channel and then it started bouncing off it. That's why I made an up trade for $400 for 1 minute. And when making this decision, I was guided by the signals of the stochastic oscillator indicator about a possible upward price movement. Let's observe the price. At the beginning, sharply went up, then it bounced off the Donchian channel resistance line or the upper level, okay? Then the new candle began to fluctuate slightly, and now it's declining. Okay, it reversed, and now the candle is moving up, but not for long. It decreases again. We see a new candle, and our trade closes a profit. We've added to our account another $340. An excellent result. Now let's continue to find another good entry point into our next trade. Now we're seeing some minor fluctuations, and the price right now is in the upper half of the Donchian channel, right? A new candle was formed, and now it's declining. Based on that, I'm gonna make an up trade for $400 as the price will bounce off up to the average line of the Donchian channel. Now, having reached the average line of Donchian channel, we can see a new candle here, and it began to decline as well. All the changes in the price occur very sharply with fluctuations. And it repeats again. As you can see on the chart, having reached the average line of the Donchian channel, it bounced off it and declined. And as you can see, any impulse in any direction, it's followed by reversal in the opposite direction. And our trade closes a profit. We've added to our account another $340. We're not stopping. Let's continue and find a new entry point into the trade. Okay, the price makes quite strong fluctuations right now, creating long shadows, okay, of the candle above and below its body. So let me make a down trade for $400 because the price is gonna bounce off and fall down. I made this decision because before that, all the strong impulses were replaced by a reversal. I did not take into account the signals of the indicator. After opening the trade, the price continued to grow, breaking through the upper limit of the Donchian indicator, and we can see a new candle here. It created a new high, but I expected to bounce off and fall down. 30 seconds have passed, and the new candle appeared, which repeats the same movement, but now it's declining. Our trade is closing, almost there. Our trade closed a profit. We've added to our account $340. Of course, I was worried, but anyways, we closed our trade at profit. Okay, let's continue and find the new entry point into our next trade. The price is declining right now, and having reached the average line of the Donchian channel, I'm gonna make an up trade for 1 minute, also for $400. I made this decision because for the past 15 minutes, the price was unable to break through the average line of the Donchian indicator middle line. Either it's on the upper part of the Donchian channel or on the other part. It was still quite difficult for the price to break through the average line of the Donchian channel and fluctuating and bouncing off that average line. We see some growth. The 30 seconds have passed, and we see a new candle, and it begins to decline. Okay, it's moving towards the entry point of our trade, and we didn't close our profit, okay, but the money was returned to us. I remind you guys, it's impossible to completely exclude the risk of losing money in a trade, but I show you how to minimize the risks. Okay, now let's look at the price and choose a new entry point into the trade. The price has started to grow quite actively and I opened a down trade for $400, also for 1 minute. Okay, I made this decision because, as I said earlier, today, every impulse, every movement is followed by a reversal in the opposite direction. With such a price movement, the stochastic indicator signals show false data, so keep that in mind. As you can see from the chart, after opening the trade, the price dropped quite actively, leaving a very long shadow. Okay, and the new candle, as you can see, reached the average line of the Donchian channel, and now it's fluctuating above that line. Our trade close profit, we've added to our account another $340, and we are rocking it. So let's go next. Observing the price, we will choose the optimal entry point into our next trade. Having reached the middle line of the Donchian indicator, the price began to move up. We can see a new candle here opening, so let me make an up trade for $400, also for 1 minute. This decision was made due to the beginning of the price growth, and at the same time the stochastic indicator did not give me any clear signals yet, and the price movement coincides with our forecast. The price reaches the upper level of the Donchian indicator, and the new candle at the same time creates a new high because it breaks through the current high. Minor price fluctuations are occurring right now, and the price creating new highs right now. And our trade close profit, we've added to our account $340. That's amazing. And in this part, I made 6 trades, 5 of which were profitable. The other one wasn't profitable, but we didn't lose anything neither. In this part, we made $1,700 again. And if we sum it all up, we made $400 in this trading session, which is an amazing result. And in this video, you have seen how you can make profits out of the impulsive, unstable price movements. And you can capitalize on the repeating movements of the price, so you can clearly see what's the next movement of the price. So I highly recommend you to carefully analyze the price chart, use the indicators, minimize your risks so you can make profits over the long run. Guys, continue learning, continue trading, and you will get there. And in case you have any questions regarding trading, you can ask me on Telegram. As I said, I left you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video. You'll also find the link to my private Telegram channel where I share the daily trading signals and also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. You can do this. So join the marathon and join my Telegram channel, and you can text me today on Telegram to get a link to sign up for pocket option, which will give you 50% on your deposit for free as a bonus, which is a good bonus for you if you want to start out trading. And if you like this trading session, please give this video a like, watch the previous video if you haven't, and comments below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.